Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with another unboxing video, and as you guys can see, we have a lot of things to go through today, but the very first thing that I want to unbox is super special because this is from a subscriber. So Craig, if you're watching this video, thank you so much. I'm super grateful, and he actually sent me a pair of Jordan 1s from 2001, which is crazy because I don't even have any sneakers that are that old in my current collection. The oldest pair I have is a pair of Bape Stars from like 2005 or 6. So yeah, the fact that this is from 2001, like look at this box. Okay, let's open it up. So the pair of Jordan 1s that he sent me was from the 2001 Japan exclusive drop, and there were 4 different colorways in this collection. And this year they actually retroed the neutral gray colorway, which I've already unboxed on my channel. So it's just really crazy to me that he sent this to me. Like, first of all, I can't believe someone would go through the trouble to ship these to me. Like, I'm all the way in Australia. Like, I feel like I'm very far from everyone else. So I cannot thank you enough, Craig. Thank you so much. And this is actually a brand new DS pair. So he has never worn these, and they are in such great condition. And I've already tried these on feet, and I think they look really clean, and I really love them. It is my perfect size. It is a men's 6.5. And what's really cool about these sneakers, because they were a Japan exclusive back in the day, it's actually numbered. So when you look at the inside of the tongue, you can see that it says 2,565 of 3,000. So they only produced 3,000 pairs of these, and this is one of them. I don't know if I'll ever wear these out because they're so special to me. Like, maybe I'll just like casually wear them and like flex around at home, which is what I've been doing with all my sneakers anyway. And in terms of the detail, you can see that it has this leather tongue with the Jumpman logo, and it has the round lace instead of the traditional flat laces that you see in Jordan 1. And that is the same detail that you see on the 2020 version of the neutral gray colorway. And you guys know that Jordan 1s are super timeless, and these are just very special to me. So I'm so glad to have this in my collection. And yeah, I don't think I'm gonna wear them because yeah, they're so special. So again, Craig, thank you so much. So anyway, let's move on to the next pair of sneakers, which is the Yeezy Quantums. Now, I actually won a raffle at Up There, and I've had these for like quite a few weeks now, but I haven't done a video on them, so I just decided to unbox it here. I've tried them on feet and everything, and I got these in a men's 6.5, so I went half a size up from my true to size, but I think they fit really good. And also these are super comfortable, and I can't I was gonna say I can't open the box. So this is what they look like. You guys already know what they look like. It is the lifestyle version because they did do a restock a few weeks ago, and I managed to win the raffle at Up There, which I'm super happy about. And yeah, I mean, I have the barium colorway, and to be honest, I haven't really worn those, but if I had to pick between the two, I have to say that I really like the Quantum lifestyle version. I really like how they look on feet, and it does have more reflective detail compared to the barium, which is the basketball version. So when you have the flash on, you can see the reflective details come through underneath this mesh. It does have this embroidered pattern stitched onto this mesh, which I think looks really clean, and to me looks really premium. The retail price on the Quantums is 400 Australian dollars here, which I think is quite high, but I really love them, and I feel like these are definitely something that I want to wear more of. Obviously, they're completely brand new. I have not been wearing any of my new sneakers, but just having them on feet at home, they are so comfortable because it does have that full length boost. And yeah, if you guys don't already have a pair of Quantums, I highly recommend them. This is my only pair. Wait, they only have one pair of lifestyles, right? Yeah. What am I even talking about today? I'm sorry guys, I feel like I'm all over the place. I had a cup of coffee, and I think it was probably very strong. So there's too much caffeine in me at the moment. But yeah, I really love these Quantums. Like I said, I went half a size up. They feel really good on feet. Let me know if you guys want me to do a like how to style Quantum video, and I can do that for you. But yeah, I'm super happy that I got these. I actually wasn't feeling that lucky when I entered the raffle, so I was really surprised when I got the email saying that I got a W for these Quantums. So yeah, those are the Quantums. So the next thing I have here is a pair of sneakers from Asics, and they actually gifted this to me and they shipped it in this box. Look at this. This is so cute. It has a bow and everything. And let's just open this up. I've had this like a few days now, but I didn't want to open it up until I filmed this video. So let's cut that open. And oh, look at this. Did I just rip? Okay, the box collapses. So we are not here to talk about the box, we're here to talk about the sneakers. And I don't actually own any Asics sneakers. Wait, do I? No, I don't. So this is my very first pair and they left a note which is really cute. Okay, let me just read it. I really like the handwriting. So whoever that wrote this note, like, your handwriting's really nice. Anyway, it says, soak up the retro flavor of the Gel-lyte 3 30th anniversary shoe. Blending comfort with a classic fit, this shoe honors the OG release by Mitsui-san, as well as adding some fresh 2020 flavors. We can't wait to see you kick around in them. The Asics team. Is it Asics or Asics? Anyway, I think it's Asics. I keep saying it weird, I'm sorry guys. But let's see what the sneakers look like. And yeah, there you go. Look at the color. I think this is really nice. And I feel like these would be so comfortable on feet. And the size that I got is a men's US 7, which like, am I really a men's US 7? At this stage, I don't know what my sizing is anymore because you guys know I tend to buy sneakers that are too big for me. I'm between like a men's 6 or 7, but I will be okay with a size 7. And wow, this is really interesting. Like, it doesn't actually have a tongue. Can you guys see that? It sort of just has the laces and then it's split down the middle. And the colorway is really nice. It is a mix of purple, gray, and this neon orange really pops. And should I try it on right now? Okay, this might be a very awkward like try on on feet kind of thing. Also, I'm not wearing very cute socks today, so please disregard the socks. They are the right size even though it is a men's 7. This is what it looks like. Oh my god, this is so awkward. And like I said, ignore my socks. I'm not wearing very cute socks today because I'm just at home, but these feel super comfy. The mix of material on this sneaker is really nice. And like I said, it's my very first pair of Asics sneakers and I cannot wait to wear these a little bit more. I should really jump on the Asics wave because I missed out on the Sean Wotherspoon collab. I honestly didn't try that hard. I did think it was a cool collab, but yeah, I got L's. I entered a few raffles and I didn't get them, and it's not a pair of sneakers that I wanted to pay resale for because you guys know that I've been paying resale for all my Nike SB Dunks and they're so expensive. Anyway, back to this Asics sneakers. This release is to celebrate the 30th anniversary of the Gel-lyte 3, which is like crazy that this silhouette has been around for 30 years and this is my first pair. What am I even doing? So I definitely need to jump on the Asics wave, but yeah, I'm super happy about these. So thank you so much Asics for sending these to me and I cannot wait to wear these. So should I remove the other shoe? I have like one shoe on my feet and let's just move on. Okay, let's move on. Let's put this somewhere. And the very last thing that I want to unbox is from UniGlow, and I have my Stanley knife here. And I actually bought a few things from UniGlow the other day as well. You guys know I love UniGlow, and I bought the Arism face mask and I would recommend them. I got them in a size medium because they do come in different sizes and medium is a good size. So I don't even know how to explain sizing, but I guess if your face is like a similar size to mine and you have a kind of round face like me, then the medium should be good. And yeah, they're really comfortable and I think it was like $20 for a pack of 3. So anyway, enough about face masks. We have a few items here. It is a very big box for not many items in the box. So these are some t-shirts from the Neo Miyagi range. So let me show you guys. They collaborated with a few Japanese artists and this one here is with Sorayama. It has that classic Sorayama like robot kind of illustration. And then there's another one here as well, which is also Sorayama's work here. And I got these all in a size medium and I think they should fit good. I think this is part of the men's line, but it's pretty much unisex. And then also there is another, actually there are 2 more t-shirts. So So let me see. I can't remember what I got. This one is with Yuichi Yokoyama. Let's see. And here you go. I don't even remember what I got. This is what the back looks like. On the tag, they actually tell you a little bit more about the artist, and it says here, Yuichi Yokoyama has been active as a manga artist since 1995. So yeah, this is a manga style illustration t-shirt, which I think looks really nice. I think you can't go wrong with like black and white. And then the last t-shirt I have here, it is Yoshi Rodden. Wait, what? Am I even saying that right? And this is what it looks like. This one is super bright. Like, look at this. It has this like print on the back that's neon. And yeah, I feel like these, why does this look so small? This is a size medium, so it's definitely a standard fit. So if you want it to be a little bit oversized, maybe go half a size. Half a size. There are no half sizes with clothing. Just go one size up if you want it to be a little bit oversized. But yeah, I can't wait to wear these. Like, you know, they're black and white, so you know, it's like good for everyday wear. And then I also got a cap because guys, my lockdown hair, look at my lockdown hair. I can't get my hair done until the 26th of October because that's when the stores open back up. So yeah, I am not loving my hair, so I plan on wearing more caps. So I got this olive cap because I don't know, like I really love UniGlow. I feel like they're so great for wardrobe essentials. The price is great, the quality is great. Like, I just love UniGlow. So yeah, this is the cap that I got in olive. And then also I bought a pair of jeans, which by the way guys, you know I always talk about the UniGlow U carpenter pants, and I checked on their website and they sold out in so many sizes, but I have them in like the cream colorway as well as the black, and I highly recommend them. And I realized that because we're here in Australia, our release dates are like different from you guys in the States or like anywhere else in the world. So we only just had the UniGlow U collection. When I went to the UniGlow US site, it was already like sold out a while ago. So anyway, I don't know how that works, but if you are in Australia, the Spring Summer 20 collection is still on their site, so I highly recommend that you guys check it out. But anyway, I don't even know why I'm talking about that. Let's get back to these jeans. I got this in a 25, which is the same size as all my UniGlow pants. And as you guys can see, it's more so like a relaxed fit. And I haven't really worn jeans this color in a really long time. The only other pair that I wear is this lighter color one that you guys see on a lot of my on-feet video. And that one was from Revolve. Hopefully these look good on. And then also the very last thing is a shirt that I got. And it is just a brown linen shirt. Is this linen? Yes, it is linen. And I got this in a size large because I wanted it to be oversized, but it doesn't look too oversized. And yeah, I was going for this neutral colorway because I was hoping that it will pair well with my olive cap. Like, look at this. I think this is quite a vibe, right? I'm trying to think what sneakers would look good with this fit. But yeah, I will figure it out. And I think that is all for today's video. Actually, no, I have one more thing. Wait, let me just put this. Guys, I make such a mess when I do my unboxing videos. I have one more thing to show you guys, and this I purchased from Up There. Don't know whether I should be showing you guys because this is actually something I bought for my friend. This is a little card from Up There, which is really cute, and it is just a pair of socks. So I got a pair of Capital socks, so you guys can see on the heel here there is a smiley face. This is so cute. This is actually not for me. This is a gift for my friend, so hopefully he doesn't watch my videos, which I don't think he actually watched my video, but it's like a farewell gift because one of my friend is going away, so I just wanted to like gift him something really small. And I think these Capital socks are really cute, and I actually wanted to buy myself a pair. So yeah, this is what it looks like. I want a different colorway, so I'll wait for Up There to restock the white colorway and then I'll get one for myself. The quality is really nice. It is like really thick and the retail price is 65 Australian dollars. But yeah, so I need to wrap this up and give it to my friend. But yes, that is all I have to unbox today, and I have made a complete mess, so I need to deal with this later. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Once again, Craig, thank you so much for sending me those Jordan ones. I really appreciate it. Thank you to like the Asics team for sending me these. Oh my god. I have a plastic bag attached to my foot. I still have one side of these sneakers on, so thank you so much for sending those to me as well. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And let me know in the comments below if you want me to do a lookbook style video for the Quantums or any other sneakers that I have. Let me know and I can definitely do that for you guys. Or if you want to see more of like the UniGlow stuff, maybe I can do something with these things that I picked up here. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you guys really, really soon. Bye!